what is it that you guys are doing to make uh, this data products work for both from a producer perspective and a consumer perspective?
So when speaking to many customers, data leaders, they, first of all, they all have a different definition of what a data product is.
Mm-hmm.
So you have the technical and then you have the business. But trying to enable that and come to a common definition is one that we help organizations on. And then, of course, it's all about it's ownership. So who's going to own the data product? It's about the life cycle of that data product, how it's going to be managed. And when we say manage that data product, it's about, is it being curated?
Right.
Has it a good solid foundation? Has it gone through data quality? And even when you go through that governance process, it's the adoption of that data product. So how do you reuse it? Because the more you reuse a data product or even any data asset, the more valuable it becomes, because you don't want to have to start over from scratch every time.
Sure.
So when relating that to Quest and how our approach is leading the change in this space, we looked at all of these factors based on our customer feedback. And we say, well, how do we remove those barriers? And at the same time, how can we help create those data products with speed? So we look into, first of all, a platform play. So you're looking at that end-to-end data management. So that it's like almost like an assembly line. You start with your raw data. It goes through that curation process. You want to be able to democratize that, publish it into a marketplace as an easy place for your users, both business and technical, to access that of those data products, to be able to reuse, reshare those data products. And this is done through a marketplace. So with Quest, we've bookended that. We went and started from the data modeling foundation right up through that governance into the shop, share, and compare for those data products. So making it easier, making it faster to help operationalize and the reuse of those data products.